Somewhere I was finding myself again, and I was not able to. I was losing my confidence, my self-esteem, my self-worth, and I used to not able to heal myself. I used to always blame myself that, I'm doing this and this is happening. No good opportunities are coming to me, and I used to always criticize my own self that I am good for nothing. Having so much things learned in your life, yet you are not able to do anything. You are not able to earn money.
So, once again, welcome to another Hall of Fame interview. And today we are going to be talking about the Energy Queen Khyati, who's from Mumbai, who's implemented the Energy Queen system and gone through a lot of changes in her health as well as her relationship. Right? So, without wasting much time, over to you, Khyati, and congratulations on winning the Energy Queen Light Bearer Award. You truly, truly deserve it. So over to you. Tell us more about your journey. I mean, from where did you start and what was going on before? And what all have you implemented and what all has changed in your life? We would love to know about that.
Firstly, I would like to be grateful to you and Nikun sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and showing me the path. About my journey, if I tell you, I lost myself somewhere after the delivery part of my life. And somewhere I was finding myself again, and I was not able to. I was losing my confidence, my self-esteem, my self-worth, and I used to not able to heal myself. But after enrolling in your programs and following few techniques like morning energizers, going through a lot of other more techniques I would love to talk about, has also changed my life, not only physically, mentally, relationship wise, money wise, but in all areas of my life. So that's really great. As in professional coach for myself as well, I have gained back the confidence which I was always looking for my own self. Even I've gained the relationship with my own self again, where I was, criticizing and blaming myself as well, complaining myself to myself as well. So
Yes.
I've got lot of things from you and sir. If I go on and on, I think this session is going to be very short session for me.
Thank you so much, Kathy. But I know that you've gone through a lot of changes in your life. So I would love to know exactly. I mean, from your, you said that you were criticizing yourself, you were blaming yourself. So
Mhm.
all that had led to something in your life, I'm sure. Right? So
Yes.
what did that lead to and how did you overcome it? And how's your relationship now? Just not with yourself, but even when it comes
Mhm.
to your confidence outward with your family, for that matter. So what really changed and how did you change it? So attending the session, but I'm sure you did something also. You attended the sessions, you got a lot of value, that I'm sure of. But what did you implement in your life and how did you overcome it? We would love to know that also.
So, coming to an implementation part, I used to always blame myself that, I'm doing this and this is happening. No good opportunities are coming to me. And I used to always criticize my own self that I am good for nothing. Having so much things learned in your life, yet you are not able to do anything. You are not able to earn money. So, when I started your sessions to attend, first I gained back my confidence after attending the morning energizers. Those were like a charging for me. It was working like a charger, like how mobile needs a charger every time you need to charge it. It was working like that, because every time when we are there in your program and when we go out in the world where we are, lots of negativity is there, and you tend to get into that negativity. So after attending and implementing your techniques, like when you do meditations, it helped me to calm my own mind, my soul. And I started being grateful to people, grateful to the situations. And that's how, when I started being calm, I increased my more of productivity. In less time I could do more work, and at the same time I used to shout at my son as well for no reason, and then I used to feel guilty about it. So then your five whys technique, which go into five why you are doing this, why, if this is happening, why, what will happen then. So that used to help me a lot, and then I started self introspecting myself as well, that what am I doing, what do I want in my life. So that gave me, again, when I learned about your awareness techniques, your self management techniques, where I learned about not only managing my own self but managing my time as well. again at the same time I used to blame myself that I'm not able to do anything. So the priority, when you said that you set priorities, I was able to achieve my goals as well. Small goals, small wins. I started celebrating my life as well, that
Hmm.
whatever is happening for good reason. And when I went into that aura, that environment, every I actually built up an energy and a frequency where I was able to free, connect myself with the frequencies of universe. Earlier uh, I used to watch images and all to manifest my desires and my goals. Now what happens, I think, and some after few hours it happens and it feels very happy, and I remember you and sir then again. Your techniques and implementing all those things, small things, like you plan your day and your that formats what you give us, the worksheets what you help us, the breakout rooms in which we go and brainstorm ourselves. So all these techniques, it is like lot of techniques has helped me. Even I've done water manifestation, the
Hmm.
one which you said on the bottle, you write a message and all. So that also has helped me a lot. Giving good affirmations and declarations for my son has changed lot of attitudes of my son as well. His behavior has also changed.
Yes.
So
So
those
it's
sort
not
of
because of your
things.
son, my dear. It's because you have changed from within. Yes, you have evolved from within, and I definitely know that, Khyati. But let's talk about little bit about your tangible results. You are a health coach, right?
Yes, yes.
Khyati. So earlier you were not healthy yourself, also mentally as well as physically. From what I
Hmm.
could see, that a lot of issues were there, and you were more. What I know of from about you is that you were more into, like you said, complain, blame, and really, really in the low shell of your life, low phase of your life. So let's talk about some results in your health field for that matter. So what exactly did
Absolutely.
you achieve? And I know about it that you've been creating changes in other people's lives also right now, right? So
Yes.
you're a health coach. You're now like I mean, I was reading about it, and you actually healed somebody's cancer also. You've helped them, right? Helped her. So let's know more about that also, about that area of your life, which is your health and your career. So how are you balancing, and what have been you be doing up right now in your health? Let me just ask you this question.
Yes, recently, as I attended your Gnan Glow, which was again a power pack program where I learned lot of more things about health. I was always thinking that food is the major criteria, but I understood like what is the better, what is the right thing actually. But if I tell you about my tangible results, I have lost 5 kgs of my weight, because earlier I was not able to do it. I was focusing on a lot of other things which I was not supposed to. Even I gained my I can say I have got a sustainable result where adopting your techniques, I have developed healthy habits. When I've adopted those healthy habits, I'm not going back to my old pattern or old Khyati.
Hmm.
So that has given me a sustainable result. At the same time, I'm being more productive as well. Now, coming to productivity, earlier I had no confidence of talking to people as well. For my clients' perspective, if I tell you that if I am not healthy, how I'll be able to help others? That was the only one belief and question which I used to always ask my own self. So that when shifted from your sessions and from your guidance and teachings, then I could help more people. I've started helping more mothers now. And as you rightly said, that I've helped one of my husband's wife as well when she was suffering from cancer, cancer. And she was being said that only 21 days she has in her hands. And within 1 year, she took long time. She had patience as well. And she followed my all the mind techniques, few of my own, few of yours, which you taught us, and that's how she's now recovered herself. Now she's in a remission stage, of course, but she's not going to her old lifestyle.
Right.
So
Amazing.
that's the biggest
Very well.
achievement I've got in my life.
It's
And
such a
at the
wonderful feeling, right, to heal other people, and when you can actually somebody is sick and somebody is not well, and then you can be the channel through which you can heal the other person. I'm sure you must have felt really, really proud, Khyati. Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Because I had tears of joy in my eyes at that time, that I could help not only her, but I could help her whole family. Their whole family was so happy to be back in that happy environment. And also along with that, I would like to tell you that I was not able to follow few healthy routines as well. Now I've started doing those as well. Looking at me, I've set an example for my son as well.
Hmm.
So that's really great achievement which I feel that I've achieved in my life. That is also one more better one. And looking at my energy through your programs, my husband has also reduced. Uh, he was earlier very nagging kind of. Now he's reduced it. He's gained a little bit of confidence in me, and now he's no more doing arguments and fights and all. So I'm happy with that also, that I've got good, not only improved my relationship with my own self, my body, mind, soul, but with my family members as well, and with my clients as well. I'm building a very beautiful relationship.
Yes. So your money frequency is
Healthy.
also gone up.
Yes,
You're
absolutely.
attracting money, is it?
Absolutely, I'm attracting money now.
Good, amazing, Khyati. So this is a very proud moment, and yeah, your relationship you're saying it has improved, your health has improved, your even your money has improved, and even your career from that point of time, from point of view for that matter. Because in career, I remember when you came to me, you were very stressed. You really wanted to do something. Yes, and
Yes.
especially when your health failed. So now let's talk about it also. How's it at going right now, and what are the actions that you've started already taking when it comes to your own business and own career? So you're doing something massive now, big time?
Yes, I have now actually started getting lot of my health goals and monetary goals as well. In that, I can tell you that earlier when I was not working, I started this again from zero. I took a break during my pregnancy, and then as I said, I was lost. I was not understanding from where to start, how to start. And when you have multiple things in your mind, you get overwhelmed, like
Right.
ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. But the system which I followed, which was given by you, prioritizing and all, helped me in making small decisions. I was taking big steps, but then I started taking small steps, and then I started achieving it, like creating my own social media platform and presence and all. Earlier everyone was feeling like now she's a mother and she's not going to do anything, but that existence and that it's a small brand, I can feel myself that, but I know that I believe that I'm going to be a big brand soon. But now the first circle of influence people have started knowing me. Even when I go to attend my relative's wedding or cousin's wedding or something reception, people feel like, we have been seeing you, your change, your transformation, and I feel like celebrity sometimes. So those
Amazing.
things
What's your
happen.
brand called, Khyati? Let us also hear. What is your
So
brand called right now?
So my brand is basically more about mothers, where I'm helping mothers to lose their weight and gain their own self back, where I help them putting all the life skills and the health skills. Basically, the coaching part happens on that, and that's how I ask them to come back in their new and the best version. So
Yes.
that's how they come back and they bless me then once they get the result. Not only in the weight loss, but also they lose their fat from their, unwanted fats from their mind. So जो सब कचरा भरा पड़ा था, so that they lose it. And at the same time, I have started now earning. Where I was zero, I've started earning at least 25,000 to 50,000, which I'm soon planning to go on a high amount of number. And I'm not going to let you down. I'm going to
Oh,
prove you
no,
that as
nothing
well.
for me. It's about you, Khyati, right now. I'm sure
Yes,
that
of
I
course.
want you to feel proud about who you are, and you deserve it, Khyati. You've been amazing throughout, and I think you deserve big numbers now. Yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes.
Yes.
But I feel very grateful for you that because of you, I'm now back and I'm able to help more mothers for this. Same.
So let me ask you one question. How did you come to know about me? As in, so how did you come to know about me?
Again, I can say it's a manifestation and attraction. I was just scrolling my Instagram, and I was going through reels and all, and then one day I saw your ad about the taking charge of your own self, your life, taking command of your life, and that's what I was looking for. And I that's how I enrolled for one of your webinar. But before enrolling your webinar, I went through all your videos on Instagram and YouTube, and I was so attracted to you that I thought that this is now last step where I can change my life. I can get the command of my life. That's how I met you on Instagram, and then like-minded community with you when I joined, and the community also helped me a lot to overcome myself.
Yes,
So
amazing.
that's how I
That
met
is
you.
that is there obvious. I mean, that goes without saying because it's you can't do anything alone, right? When you have a community, then it can really, really enhance your progress much more faster for that matter.
Absolutely.
Yes, super. So yes, you made some good friends also in the community, right? Now,
Absolutely. Yes. I've got very good friends, and we are actually, it's like giving and receiving, helping each other, and it's like a family now.
amazing, super. So the energy queen, Khyati Shah, amazing, Khyati. More energy to you, Meti Meraki to you, and may God bless you with more and more and more and more of abundance. And I'm waiting to interview you next for your next achievement, big achievement. Yes, which you will,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
sure very soon you are going to get there. So, congratulations once again for achieving such good results in your relationship, in your own health, as well as in your money goals. Thank you once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you too much.